Before you clean out an inherited house, stop. I know the house may be buried in paperwork, old files, old file cabinets, but it could be that there are some very important pieces of paper buried in all of the old documents. I have seen situations where people found very important documents, stock certificates, title paperwork, insurance documents, buried under all of that paper. So you want to make sure to do a careful check before you send everything off to the shredder. Talk to the attorney who's helping you with the estate. Talk to a title attorney. Make sure that the estate title is clear without any issues. I'm Vanessa Hardee, and I help families in this area navigate just this kind of a situation. So please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be very happy to advise you. Thanks.